Good morning. Supposed to go for a walk today, but probably here.
I checked the weather last night. It just stopped raining about 8 o'clock. Woke up, checked it this morning, midday. So we're going to go out midday. Well, just before.
We get the waterproofs on and see how far we get.
Still raining. So our hike up the top of there today is now off. So we're going to find something local to do instead.
So our number one golden rule: get out of the truck every day, even if it's just to go for a walk. Otherwise, I think we'll go insane.
So I've just saved this guy's life. Blends in with the road very well. And Kerry nearly stepped on him. Bless him. And there you go, matey. All nice and safe out the road. €41 per person to go up into the mist. Think not. So it's raining, so taking advantage. Wash day, and it's €1, which is really cheap. And so it's a dryer, so taking advantage of that.
Popped over to the cafe. Look at this handsome man that I picked up.
You notice a change in today's Craig. Took advantage and cut my hair and shave.
Yeah, it's very handsome. Always with the biscuit first. Hello! So today is a long drive. We are Venice bound. I'm really looking forward to it. It's just, we decided to stay the extra night there and make just a mammoth journey today. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, good. Still waking up. But yeah, long day today. Long day today. 350 kilometres.
We're not going to bore you with a load of B-roll or time lapses of our journey though. So we'll see when we get to our campsite.
What we'll say is the roads so far in Italy are shocking. Falling apart. Not good. And they got a weird inverse camber on them as well. Okay, follow on from the last video, a tyre update. We're now in Italy on the Italian roads. Okay, it's the Italian motorways. No issues whatsoever. So it's definitely the roads in Germany. Hello and welcome to, I can't remember the name of the place, we're just outside Venice.
Yeah.
Campsite for a couple of nights. It's a long day driving today.
5.5, 6 hours?
Yeah, 6.5 hours it was. And it was 350k. Did it all on toll roads as well. And it cost us €20.
Yeah, I was expecting more than that, to be honest.
And that was about 280 kilometres of toll road as well. So it was really good. Good.
Yeah.
Long drive though, tiring. Kerry has done some business work, or
Business
work for
work.
one of her clients.
Yes, I have.
Kerry's done some work for one of her clients. And I cooked. And we've just been out for a stroll to figure out where we're getting train tickets tomorrow, because tomorrow we're taking you to Venice. But for now, signing off because I'm tired.
Need a shower.
Need a shower.
And a glass of wine.
That's the wine. Also, beer and Moretti tastes
So
100
much
times
better.
better than it does in the UK, in Italy.
Yeah.
Go figure. See you later.
We're off to Venice today. First stop, the shop round the corner to go and get the train tickets. Have our train tickets. That chap is very used to seeing English tourists. He was super helpful. So now we're going to go to the station. Because I am completely obsessed with being on time for things, I'm usually massively early. And true to form, got like just under an hour to wait for our train. The tickets for that came to €14.20. €3.55 each way, 2 people. So and it's about a 22-minute journey, I believe. 1 hour and 22 minutes by the time we get there. We made it to Venice.
We certainly did.
It's beautiful.
It is very nice actually, I must admit. I'm not one for crowded places. Like London is my nemesis. But yeah, I think the scenery has taken the edge off of it, which is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just, the weather's stunning. I mean, lots of the applications of sun cream for me. But it's just beautiful.
It is very nice actually, yeah. And I think it's a good time to come because it's not in the tourist season, just outside, so it's not as busy. I think if it was tourist season, I think I would have gone a bit nuts.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a B-roll. Enjoy.
Stop for some lunch. What our own?
Sandwiches. Clever. I'm not paying €17 for a sandwich.
That and, budgeting. I definitely want another coffee. Probably want some ice cream.
And I'm a skinflint.
But I will be getting ice cream.
Kerry's just gone to use the toilet. That's right. €1. Thought we would spend a penny. €80 for a gondola ride.
No.
I like Venice. It's very nice. Take a load of tourists, it'd be better.
Grumpy getting it.
Currently walking down alleyways, we have no idea where we're going. And people are following us. We found people with gelato. We're on the right track.
Follow the gelato.
Captain never gets his hands dirty.
Passed a really cute restaurant earlier. And I thought, we'll go back there. There are like hundreds of restaurants. Craig has promised me, or bet me even, £100, which is cheaper than €100, that he can find it again. I think he's gone and done it.
Yes, here we are. Who's on Kerry?
Thing is, I'm a mountain guide, for God's sake. I should know better.
That was good. Stuffed. Now, I've never got the camera out when something good happens. I just slipped down a step and grab Kerry. I grabbed a dress, so she's got a wraparound dress, and I grabbed a bow, and I literally pulled it all undone.
Yeah, thanks for that.
That would have been a shocker.
It's been a beautiful, long, but beautiful day, and we've just realised it's going to take us 40 minutes to walk back to the train station. We've got sore feet. Sore feet got the better of us.
Chickened out, 40-minute walk, so we paid €19.
For 2 tickets.
Take the water taxi. Oh, you just want to wait for the next one? Huh? You're going to get on there, yeah?
Have you seen me get on the tube in London?
Togliamoci gli zaini, grazie. Take off the bag. Take off the bag. Take off the bag.
Please, don't stop on the stairs, it's dangerous. Thank you. It's an emergency pass. Thank you. Scusa, non si può stare sulle scale, grazie. Lasciamoli per le scale. Please, don't stop on the stairs, it's an emergency pass, okay?
Train.
Choo-choo. Water taxi.
Wow. It's an experience.
Yeah, worse than the tube. They squeeze you on.
Definitely not worse than the tube. No.
That's well the way of it.
We're on our way back to the campsite. It was worth it. I think my feet are grateful.
Yeah.
So now we're on a train. The time is right. The line is right. Didn't say our station on the board, but we asked someone and they said it's the
Driver.
station. So
We don't know where he's going.
we're in trouble.
We're in trouble.